National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northampton County, Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Grandview, or 11 miles southwest of Cape Charles, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cape Charles, Sheridan, and Bayview around 6:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Simpkins, Capeville, Townsend, Crypto Peak State Park, Oyster, Eastville, Cheapside, Crypto Peak, Plantation, and Mashapongo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.